Ladies and gentlemen, here is your 60-second summary of How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, one of the most powerful and influential books of the last 100 years. What we learned from this book is that most people are doing interactions wrong. When they have a conversation with somebody, when they're trying to make a first impression on somebody, they think the most important thing is for them to be interesting. They try to use the conversation pretty much as a display case for all of their accomplishments in life. Everything that they think is interesting about themselves, they want to talk about it. That is not the best way to make a powerful and lasting first impression on somebody. According to Dale Carnegie, the best way to make a powerful and lasting first impression is to be interested. To give the other person the opportunity to feel important, to feel seen, to feel heard, and to give them the chance to talk about the things that they like about themselves and the things that they find important without feeling selfish about it. Give them the chance to talk about themselves and feel good about it, and they'll remember you forever.